YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Jay Godly. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Today, me and my car club are headed down to Houston. That's a 4-hour drive. It is currently 3 a.m. in the morning and I've had absolutely no sleep. I don't know if y'all can see this red eye, but my eye's red. I haven't had any sleep. I don't know why I did this, but I packed a whole bag, a whole duffel bag for a day and a half. I don't know why I did this, but hey, you always gotta be prepared. It's not gonna be a cold start, but it's gonna be something. Yeah, that's definitely gonna wake up everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and meet up with them at the gas station. I'm gonna pull out the camera once I get there. Yeah, so I just pulled up at this quick trip just because gas is cheaper. And that's just me, man. Like, if there's any way I can save money on this car, I'm gonna do it. But they're meeting up at a Shell gas station, and I know that thing's gonna be like $3, maybe even $4. Just pulled up to the gas station where everybody's at. A lot of heat. A lot of heat. What's up, Lonzo?
Hey, brother.
Man, I made it, bro.
Already.
Yeah, this is nice. What's up, man?
What's going on, bro?
Josh.
Hey, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
I was
too.
cruising with you earlier.
Yeah, I said, man, I know he coming here.
I took the wrong exit. I'm about to go famous on this.
Yeah, you better.
For those of y'all who haven't seen it, man, this is Mazi's new rap, bro. This thing is crazy. A to Z Raps hooked it up. We are looking for right there. Need one of these. Way too early for this, man.
Pack black, man. I know who he on the phone with.
Yeah. Good?
Got everybody out.
Yes, sir. This thing is crazy. That black is like a mirror. We're finally heading out. I believe it's 5. Yep, it is 5:01, man. We are an hour late. We're heading out right now. It's still too dark. Probably won't be able to get too much footage, but I'll do the best I can. We just killed about like two or 3 hours. We got 1 more hour left, I believe. But we just pulled up to Buc-ee's. Uh-oh. Yeah, we just pulled up to Buc-ee's real quick. Make a little pit stop. Hey, but this is the lineup though. This is all of us. Real to real always lit up. I need to get lights like that. This is a must. You gotta get the nuggets, man. Always get the nuggets. Sun is coming up, looking a lot better. I'm about to do my second fill up. This is not gonna be my last 2, man. The good thing is, as you continue to drive, your mileage, your MPG starts to go up. And every time it goes up, I'd say it's a few dollars less on a fill up. Houston. Well, not just, we've been in Houston for a while now. We've been driving for a while, but I think we finally reached the first meet for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and record as much as I can, whatever footage I can grab. But I'm really tired and I'm about ready to go to bed. I only know one Subi guy that would like this. Not really a fan of these, but this is a very nice build. Props to this guy.
Green in that thing.
Shout it out, bro.
Hey, the real 14K, YouTube
The
and
real
Instagram.
14K. Make
Hey,
sure
man,
y'all
we
check
came
him
all
out.
the way
Man.
from Dallas with it, man. Hey.
You're not the only one, bro. I don't know what city we're in. I just followed the leader, man. That's how it is in this club. My next move, one of these Trackhawks. I love these Trackhawks, man. I know I said it earlier, but if y'all haven't seen this man's new rap yet, In the Sun, this is it, bro. Mazi's new rap. I'm really liking this color. It's a Dragon Ball Z edition, that's crazy. I'm not gonna go towards that area because that music blasting. Nice, bro. I like that. Getting a little photo shoot done before I end off this video.
Yeah, we good.
924 photography.
Yes, sir.
Kendrin Franklin.
Kilo.
Kedrin Franklin.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Make sure y'all check him out, bro.
It's gonna be dope.
Yes, sir. Hey, one more time. One more time. It's gonna blow my ear out, bro. So from this black Charger all the way down to that black Charger is all Mo power. Well, there are a few more way over there, but this video, I'm concluding this video. Honestly, I am kind of disappointed. There are 2 meets today. There's gonna be another one later today. But as of right now, I think the whole journey here was really dope. But anyways, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like it, share it, comment. I will be dropping the next video from the meet tonight within the next week or so. So make sure y'all stay tuned to that. I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.